Hello everyone, welcome back to Street Analytics. This is a continuation of SQL tutorials for beginners. In this tutorial, I'll be explaining cross-join and subjoin in SQL. The previous tutorial, I explained the joins, including inner join, left join, right join, and the floater join. I recommend you to watch the video and come to this video. So let's directly go to the cross-join. So here, cross-join is used to return the Cartesian product between two tables. Suppose in my first table I have 10 rows. In my second table I have 4 rows. If I perform cross join, it returns 40 records. 10 into 4, 40 records. Returns Cartesian product. Means for every row in the first table it returns the combination of other row. For every row in the first table, it returns combination of rows in the second table. Means if I have 10 rows in the first table and the 4 rows in the second table, for every row in the first table, it returns the 4 records. So let's see with the example. For this card, then I have two tables, that is products, products and sizes table. Now products and sizes table. Now I want that is for every t-shirt, for every product, I want different sizes. For every t-shirt, I want different sizes. For every jeans, I want different sizes. So for every record, I want to get the combination of sizes, combination of rows. So in these cases, we directly use cross join. What we do is just cross join sizes. Execute it. Now see, for every t-shirt, it returns different sizes. S, M, XL, XS. And for every t-shirt, returns the sizes. For the jeans, it has different sizes. So for every one record returning the combination of sizes. So this is what cross join will do. It just multiplies the rows between the first table and second table, or the left table and the right table. In the first table, products table, we have three records. In the second table, sizes, we have five records. Multiply 3 into 5, which records 15 records. 15 records. Yes. This is about cross join. I will share the create the script for these two tables, and also I will share this SQL file in the description. And coming to self join. Self join is nothing but it is also a regular type of join where we join the table with itself. The name itself saying self means we join the table with itself. It is a regular type of join where we join the table with itself. So instead of joining two tables, different tables, we join the table with itself. So this self join is used when we have mostly we have the hierarchical data. Suppose employees and their managers and customers their orders. So in that cases we use self join. have a table in this database which is EMP1. This is an employee table. I have employee number, employee name, job, their MGR means the manager ID, hire date, salary, is commission, and the department number they belong to. Now, using this table, we can perform self-join. How means uh, now I want every employee's manager. This is the employee number, and their MGR is 7963. So this first employee number, employee MGR is 7698. So this 7698 will be looked up in this employee number 7698. 7698 here. So 7698 is Blake. Means Alan manager is Blake. And also what? His MGR is 7698. And his manager also Blake. And coming to John's, his manager ID is 797839. 7839 King. So John's manager is King. So in this way, for every employee, we are looking the manager in the employee number. So for this, we can use self join. Now I want to join the table with itself. So I'm giving first table as employee, and also I'm giving second table which is employee one, the same table, but I'm giving different alias, which is manager. So in the one table, we are joining the table with itself. Joining these two tables based on employee MGR equal to manager employee number. So I'm joining the table with itself, employees and managers. And I'm joining the two tables based on this condition. Employee manager should be equal to manager's employee number. If you take employees MGR, this is the employees MGR, should be equal to manager's employee number. If we join the table, we get another table. In the other table, I'm matching this manager in their employee number. If I execute it, I would get another table. So I'm matching employee MGR in employee number. This is the here to here. This is the employees table. Here to here. This is the managers table. I'm matching employees MGR in managers employee number. Now Scott manager is Jones. Scott manager is Jones. And Alan manager is Blake. So this is how the self join works. Look up join the table with itself. Suppose from the employees table I want the employee name. As is the employee name. From the managers table I want the employee name as manager name. Execute it. Duplicates files written. I'm using distinct. Employee Adams manager is Scott. Alan's manager is Blake. Clerk manager is Key. This is the employees' names and their managers. You can join the table with different conditions also. So this is about self-join. This is a regular type of join where we join the table with itself. So this is about self-join and cross-join. And that's all. I hope you understand. If you believe you learned something today, Don't forget to give a like and share it with your friends who are learning SQL. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Sleep Analytics. And that's all. If you have any doubts, write it down in the comments. I'll go through each comment. I'll give the response to you. And that's all. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.